Good morning students. Now today we are going to solve some numerical problem based on time period and frequency. What is frequency? The number of oscillations or vibrations completed in 1 second is called frequency, and frequency is measured in hertz. Time period, the total time taken to complete one oscillation or one vibration is called time period, and time period is measured in seconds. So first we solve one question. It is given in your book. A pendulum makes 10 oscillations in 1 second. Calculate its frequency and time. This is the question. How will you solve this type of question? This is the solution. A pendulum makes 10 oscillations in 1 second. By the definition of frequency, number of oscillations in 1 second or per second is called frequency. So here 10 oscillations will be occur in 1 second. So number of oscillation is 10 second, which is the frequency, because in 1 second 10 times oscillate. 10 oscillation will be completed in 1 second. So here by the definition of frequency, F is equal to 10 hertz. Because in 1 second or per second 10 oscillation will be completed by the pendulum. So here frequency is 10 hertz. Now what is time period? All of you know the formula. Time period is equal to 1 by frequency. So here 1 by frequency means 1 by 10. So time period is 0.1 second. This is the solution of. So this type of question will be easily solved if you know the definition of frequency, because by the definition of frequency, number of oscillation, number of vibration, number of cycles that completed in 1 second is called frequency. So here number of oscillation will be completed in, that is 10 oscillations. In how much time? 1 second. So by the definition of frequency, F is equal to, that is frequency, F is equal to 10 hertz, and time period is the reciprocal of this frequency. So 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1 second. Another question, it is also given in your book. Third question. A gun is fired in the air at a distance of 750 meters from a person. The person, another person, hears the gun after 2.5 seconds. Calculate the speed of the sound. This is the question. It is given in the Hertz question. So all we see a gun. Suppose here one person is there and another person is here. The distance between these two persons. Here a gun is fired in the air at a distance of 750 meters from a person. So it is 750 meters. The person hears the sound of gun as the first person that fires the gun. The second person is heard the sound after 2.5 seconds. Then you have to find the speed of the sound. So in this question, time is given t is equal to 2.5 seconds and distance s is equal to given 750 meters. This is distance and this is time. And we have to find the value of speed. All of you know formula. Speed, that is equal to distance by time. This is the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. The distance is 750 meters and time is 2.5 seconds. So on solving, 750 into 10 divided by 25. So here 25 3 are 30 into 10, 300 meters per second. So here what we will observe, the speed is equal to distance by time. Time is given 2.5 seconds. Distance is given 750 meters. So on dividing 750 by 2.5 we get 300 meters per second. So you can also solve this types of question of your exercise. Thank you.